equations in quadratics. Okay, now imagine if you're told to solve this simultaneous equation of 3x plus y equals to 5 and y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. Okay, so this is a problem. You're told to find the solution for x and y. Solve for x and y in this simultaneous equation. You've got equation 1 and you've got equation 2. Obviously, this is going to be a quadratic problem. So all you need to do first and foremost is to make y the subject of the formula in the first one. And looking at it already lets me know that it's an equation of a straight line. So rewrite equation 1 as y equals to minus 3x plus 5. And we already have equation 2 as x squared, y equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. So to solve them means that we're looking for the value of x and y that satisfies both equations. And that simply means that the x will be the same and the y's will be the same. So all you need to do is equate them. Equate both equations. I mean, if the y in the first one must be the same as the y in the second one, then it's as good as saying the two are the same, the two functions, the two equations. And also take note that it's the same thing as telling you to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Y minus y, 0. This minus that. So, therefore, x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to minus 3x plus 5. Now bring this to this side. So you have x squared. When minus 3x comes here, becomes plus 3x, and that gives you plus x. And when plus 5 comes here, it becomes minus 3 minus 5, which is minus 8. So all we're trying to do now is to find the values for x that satisfies the problem. And that's like saying, look for this solution or the roots of this new quadratic equation. So what's going to be the roots? What are the two numbers that you can multiply? So you can try to factorize it. You can use completing the square, or you can use the quadratic formula. If I'm to use a quadratic formula, because that seems to be most applicable, minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Minus b is minus 1 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 1 squared, minus 4ac all over 2a. All right, and then we can go ahead to solve the problem. So x is all right, x is therefore minus 1 plus or minus square root of 33 all over 2. Now x is therefore minus 1 plus root 33 over 2, or minus 1 minus root 33 over 2. Therefore, y, we already have two equations for y. Either of the two will be useful because they are the same, and they're going to give you the same answer. Y is minus 3x plus 5, so y is either minus 3 into this x plus 5 or minus 3 into the other x plus 5. So the first one, minus 1 plus root 33 over 2, or minus 1 minus root 33 over 2. So you can use your calculator to get the value for x, slot that into this expression, and you get the possible values for y. So that solves the equation, the simultaneous problem. But let me bring something to your notice. The question was this: solve this simultaneous equation, a linear equation and a quadratic equation. Another way of asking this same question is find the points